Welcome to Storm Mountain Ranch. Anybody that comes to this ranch is generally left with an impression that lasts for a long time, if not a lifetime. So the opportunity for there to be a property on this ranch for sale doesn't come along every day. Over the years, when people have asked me what I do here at Storm Mountain Ranch, about the only way I can really describe it is that I feel like I manage a little national park. And I think that experience is what the guests and the owners here experience as well. It's 1,100 acres with 14 owners, and that just doesn't happen everywhere. When this ranch was developed, they put 800 acres of the 1,100 in a conservation easement. If you walk directly east, you could walk for 50, 60 miles and never see another building. You look the other way and you realize that you're only 5 minutes from town. The owners at Storm Mountain Ranch, not only do they have access to this land that we have here, but the amenity package that comes along with it is pretty impressive. We have 5 guest houses here that owners have more or less unlimited use of, along with this beautiful Awapa Lodge that is located on a lake. We have 5 little lakes, 3 streams, 12 miles of trails, and then unlimited exploration beyond that. There's no shortage of wildlife here. Anytime that you drive in or out of this ranch, you just need to keep your eyes open and you're going to see something that you haven't seen for a long, long time. One of the impressive features of Storm Mountain Ranch is the Walton Creek Canyon. Walton Creek itself is the most productive watershed in the state of Colorado. Among the most scenic, with a 100-foot waterfall at the head of it, Walton Creek finds its way down the canyon and flows into our 5 lakes and through the 3 streams that we have here on the property. And it isn't until you get fully on the property that the rest of the ranch starts to reveal itself. When Storm Mountain Ranch was first envisioned, maintaining the agricultural heritage of Routt County was a major part of the planning that went into the ranch. We have an interest in preserving this property as well, so we keep a pretty close eye on things.
The thing that I most love about this house really was the incredible creativity that was given to this house by everyone that was involved with it. Every part of this house was created by a professional that was at the very top of their game. Every component of the house was picked because it was the finest and the best. I mean, there was no expense spared on building this house. It was a wonderful process. It really was. One really good example was a collaboration between some masons and some wood carvers that actually carved the bottom of these logs to fit perfectly on those boulders. And the boulders then are anchored to a concrete footing that goes down 4 feet into the ground so that it won't move. Another thing about the house that is really fantastic, I think, is the mixture of the materials that were used are basically very low maintenance, and they're designed to last a long time without any effort in keeping them looking the way they look right now, or the way they were put up. The clients wanted to make the house look as if it were different components that were built separately and put together over a period of time. So the stonework with this more mortar showing on the garage addition is totally different than the dry stack mix on the rest of the house. It's very, very labor intensive, and it's an art form that I think we're beginning to see lost in today's construction. A location this close to town in this part of the valley that is this private, I think is really difficult to find. The goals in the design of this house was to enjoy the creek and enjoy the sun from each room different times of day and different times of the year. The creek, of course, is different. The house is designed to be very comfortable for a couple, or for a family, or for a large group of visitors or parties. There's also a good separation between the bedrooms and the master bedroom so that each party can enjoy their own privacy when they're here. That's really important, I think, with a mountain town, that people kind of visit, but you want to get away from your visitors when you need to. Master bedroom is really my favorite room in the house, and that is designed to be a very comfortable spot. It's a great place to wake up and listen to the creek. It's just a fabulous spot. I'm really happy the way it turned out. Everyone loves that master bedroom. Every aspect of the house was really, really brilliantly built, and the quality is really self-evident. I don't think you'll find a higher quality home anywhere, no matter where you go.